Welcome to Texas Sonic Channel. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and turn the bell icon on to get notified of every upload. So in this video, I'm going to be replacing this factory Mazda B2300 steering wheel. It's the same method for the Ford Ranger with this NRG quick release setup and the Dragon Ball Z horn button. I got this steering wheel from the local junkyard. It's actually in a CRX and I absolutely love it. Also, the horn does work, so I'm going to show you how I did all that, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. One of the first things to do is remove the negative battery post cable. You don't want the airbag to explode while working on it. So there will be a T27 bolt on each side. They are a star bit. Remove both of those bolts. After you've got both of those bolts removed, you will gently pull on the airbag, disconnecting the connector. There will be a bolt in there that is a T50 star bolt. Remove that. Now I did have to rent this steering wheel puller kit from O'Reilly's. I think it was about $70. You get your money back whenever you return it, but the kit works pretty well. Once it gets popped loose, then we can just pull the steering wheel kind of hard and it comes right out. Now that we've got that part done, we have to trim a little bit up. I saw this on another video. I'll put the link in the description to that video, and it worked pretty well. Basically just trim those little tabs off there. Once we get all that done, there will be this yellow wire on the connector. That is the horn. We're going to plug that in. Now, in this particular NRG hub adapter, I do have to grind with the carbide bit to make a little bit of clearance for the horn button connector, but not a big deal. As you can see, it goes right in there now, and we just push it in as good as we can, making sure it's straightened up, and then we will put the T50 bolt back in, torquing it down to 30 foot-pounds of torque with a torque wrench, and then we can put the quick release part on, making sure to go in a star pattern, getting them nice and snugged up there, and then that's it. Now we can put the battery post cable on, then we put the steering wheel on. Everything's looking really good. So I did remove the safety button right here. It's just an Allen wrench. I don't like that. This one right here, you just pull like that. It's a lot easier. And the horn button works. Everything's good there. So now we're going to address the airbag light, which will come on and off. If we don't address this, it'll be very annoying and you'll see that airbag light all the time. So I'll show you that real quick. So under the dash, there is a gray connector with a gray and white wire and an orange and gray wire. That is for the airbag. You're going to want to disconnect that. Then the NRG kit that I'll link in the description came with diodes. You can put that in. When we turn the key forward, the airbag light is right here. Give it a minute, and it goes off, and it stays off. So if you do all of that, everything should work out pretty well. And got yourself an aftermarket steering wheel in your Ford Ranger or Mazda B2300, because this method works the same for both. You do want to make sure to do the airbag thing right, because you don't want that light flashing. It's really annoying. Also down here, I was able to turn off passenger airbag with the key, so that airbag won't come on, because remember I have my daughter Emma in here. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I am super happy with how this is turning out. But yeah, I hope this video was informative enough for the steering wheel install. Try to make them as detailed as I can. I'm also working on my badges right here that go right there. I'm actually bondoing them up over here. And then I'm going to sand them all down and put custom stickers there. I think it's going to say Mazda for the K-Swap Mazda, or I might say Turbo. I don't know what I'm going to put on there, but I'm going to make it custom instead of B2300, which is boring. But yeah, this thing is definitely not boring. It is super fun, and it definitely pulls really well. And I still use it as a work truck, so that's the best part. I get to play, and I get to work with it, so best of both worlds, I say. But yeah, definitely have more stuff coming to the channel, so definitely subscribe if you haven't, and turn that bell icon on, because a lot of people have not been getting notified of my uploads, and my views definitely reflect that. So share the video around if you want. I also have Facebook, so you can go over to Facebook, like Texas Honda Channel on Facebook, and I do updates there before the videos drop typically. So definitely go over there, and we definitely have some more stuff coming. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you guys are in the Coppers Cove area tomorrow at McAllister's Deli, they're having a car meet. It'll be from like 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. or something like that. I will be there with the K-Swap truck. So that'll be tomorrow, Friday. So October 8th, I believe. Yeah, so it's definitely October 8th, which is technically today. So I'm gonna try to get this video out ASAP. So I gotta get off here. So I hope to see you guys there. But until the next video, as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.